Welcome to your first video for section 3.2, part 2. Today we're going to talk about the distributive property, or at least in this video we are. You should be on the slide that looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and talk about some vocab and then talk you through our 3 examples. Alright, the first vocab word we have is a distributive property. We actually used that yesterday or the last time you're working on math when we distributed that negative for subtracting. Remember, the distributive property means you multiply a group of numbers by a number. So notice this A is out front, so I have to do A times B to get AB. I also have to do A times C to get AC. You're just distributing that A. The next part we're going to talk about is multiplying things with the same base. When you do this, you're going to add your exponents. The base is that, like, it's your variable. It's your big, well, it's not your big anything, but it's your variable. So we have x and x. When you do that, we're going to add 3 and 4. So x third times x to the 4th is x to the power of 3 plus 4, which is x to the 7th. For my second example, notice we have mn. Those are like the 2 parts. And we're multiplying it by n to the power of 6. Now, my 2 n parts we're going to add, but m is just going to stay, so we have m to the 2nd. And then we added 5 and 6, and we got 11. So n to the 11th. All right, for our first example, we have 2x times 3x minus 2. Notice you have this yellow post-it that kind of gives you some directions as to what to do. I'm going to do those a little differently on my slide because I don't want to switch from a highlighter to a pen a lot. So I'm going to circle the thing I needed to distribute with blue. I'm going to circle each of the parts a different color. On yours, you would be dragging and dropping these squares, but I'm just going to circle. All right, so the first question is, what do you distribute? Well, we're going to distribute the thing that is outside of parentheses. So we're going to distribute that 2x. So 2x is going to go on your first line. Go ahead and type that in there. And remember, when I'm distributing it, I am multiplying it by each term. Notice we have 2 terms here. Our first one is going to be 3x, and our second one is going to be negative 6. Notice that negative goes with the 6. So for the first part, I'm taking 2x times 3x. When I do that, we multiply our numbers out front. So I'm going to do 2 times 3 and get 6. And then remember, my x's are each to the power of 1, and we need to add our exponents. So I really have x to the power of 2. I just added 1 and 1. All right, for the second part, we're taking 2x times our negative 6. So I really have a positive 2x times negative 6. Again, we're going to multiply our numbers out front, so we're going to do 2 times negative 6. When I do that, I get negative 12. And notice this one has an x, but the second one doesn't, so we're just going to take the x. And my final answer would be 6x squared minus 12x. All right, for example 2, we have 4x cubed times negative x squared plus 7x minus 8, and we need to figure out what we distribute. Remember, you're going to distribute that number out front, so 4x cubed, and we're distributing it to each of our terms inside.